Network logs gives you insights into the networks that you're using directly from our platform. Because Onomondo has integrated with RANs across the world into its core network, we are able to show you real-time and historical data everywhere you go. Network logs shows you when a network is being authenticated. It also shows the cellular technologies that you're using, such as 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE-M and NB-IoT. Additionally, if your device fails to attach or fails to authenticate, this will also be shown and explained in the network logs. Network logs also show you what networks you're actually attaching to. This you can identify through the MCC, MNC. The MCC is the mobile country code and the MNC is the mobile network code. So this is the unique identifier for each of the networks in our footprint. So isn't it easier for you to optimize your own solution when you have real-time and historical data directly from our platform? I think it is, and that's what network logs gives to you.